Hello and welcome to another update video about Bloktopia. Bloktopia has just done something crazy. It has come down really a lot and found very strong support at this ascending trend line. That is one that I showed you in the previous videos, and it's always worth leaving these trend lines on the chart because they can give you a hint where the price will find support when it comes down, even if it's not a horizontal one, even if it's just a ascending trend line, for example, as we had here. And that was a very powerful one, and actually within just a few minutes, and I missed that drop because I was just uploading another video about mana, but I would have loved to buy down here, but you know, we just made 26% in a few minutes. It is ridiculous. It just shows how strong and how bullish this cryptocurrency is and this project is. Now, we were having this head and shoulders, and I made the guys in the membership group aware of that potential turnaround here. And to be honest, it worked out as a turnaround. But from here then, when we dropped below that trend line, we dropped like 20%, 18%. But we've all gained that within just a few minutes again. So, you know, it is very volatile. Volatility can give you a lot of profits. Unfortunately, while this was happening, I was just making a video about mana. But anyway, it's looking good. That's just a message really, because look, we found support here at this trend line. And as I always say, when you can identify a trend line in a bull market, in an uptrend, and you have a pullback to that trend line, and you get confirmation that you're not breaking it, it is a good buying opportunity, you know, and it's never guaranteed to work out. These, you know, it can still break down, obviously, but I've seen it so many times in crypto and everywhere else, really. When you have these trend lines and you find support there, and you are in an uptrend anyway, these are good opportunities. These are really good opportunities. Anyway, we are now moving up again, nearly at 0.13, so at 13 cents really, a little bit higher. Made impressive gains today as well, but over the last few days anyway. So what we essentially had was this head and shoulders, and to be honest, this is so fast moving, I probably have to go to the 15-minute chart. So we came all the way up, had a triangle here, broke above that triangle, formed, however, a head and shoulders, had problems to push the price higher. We're finding resistance at the 15-cent level, really. 15 cents is at the moment what holds us back. So, today, we moved through, I can't even remember what we had this morning. Was it like, I think we were even below 10 cents this morning, weren't we? Yeah, anyway. We moved through that today, and it came to 15 cents. Obviously, there is then a lot of profit taking going on as well, bit of dumping and pumping again. But this project just has a lot to offer. So I personally, I can tell you what I do. I'm going to hold on to it. I'm not going to sell this quickly, even if the price drops. I'm not using any stop loss here at the moment. I want to hold on to this. I just see the potential of this project, and I see really the potential is much higher than the risk, really. I mean, we've got now Facebook moving into the metaverse space. We've got powerful partners. Every few days they announced now an interesting partnership, and I'm sure there will be more. Well, I'm not sure, I shouldn't say that, but I'm certain that next week there should really be probably more announcement. I mean, they already announced this week, which led to the pump initially down here. That was the CoinMarketCap partnership. It is the most successful cryptocurrency at the moment on KuCoin. It is, they partnered with Elrond, they partnered with Travala, they partnered with Avalanche, and it's just crazy. So, you know, we are currently moving up again, and now we seem to find resistance actually at the lower trend line of this channel within which we were trading. So this is currently sitting at 13.3 cents. So if we can get above that, I think we can address a new all-time high. So that 13 cent level is important. 13.3 cent level is important. If we get above that, we will probably, and that is my guess, we will get to 15 cent again, and potentially even touch that upper resistance of that channel, which is 16 cents. Overall looking really good, really bullish. You know, that volatility is expected also, that you see a drop. I mean, I can only tell you, don't panic. If you want to sell. I can't give you any recommendation here. I don't want to. I'm not allowed to either way. But don't panic when you see these drops. With such a small cap crypto, this is expected, and with the pumps in the last few days, profit taking is expected. But you can see how bullish this cryptocurrency is just by purely seeing on a 15-minute chart such a long wick and a pump of 25% in just 10 minutes. So that's just my message really. I'm just waiting for that break of that 13.3 cent level, that we get back into that channel before we then possibly move higher. That is my expectation. We are currently at the around possibly breaking that 50 line here on the RSI. To be honest, I'm only on the 15-minute chart because things are moving so quickly here. Overall, on the longer term, you know, even on the 1 hour chart, you've got that trend line here. I would suggest you put that onto your chart. It's a good guide. It's been a good guide today. And I mean, on the 4 hour chart here, we are in overbought range. Brought that down a little bit, but that hasn't held us back in the last few days. But however, when we were at these levels here, you saw that here on the 26th, we dropped obviously the RSI. We had that retracement. Obviously, we had a retracement now. There could be a little bit more of a retracement, maybe another touch of the trend line again, just to bring the RSI down before we then have more possibilities to move to new all-time highs. That's really just to my take here on Bloktopia, and hope you liked that video. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.